the sixth nakshatra Ardra, running from 6 degree 40 minutes to 20 degrees in Gemini, ruled by the twin virgin girls, and Rahu is the ruler planet. Ardra means moist. Whenever the sun transits this next constellation, the rainfall occurs in India or the other parts of the world. Brightest star of the Betelgeuse in the Orient and fixed star Sirius. That's why it is known as the human head. It correlates with the Indian mythological stories or the epics. Rahu is the head of a demon which was cut by the Lord Vishnu. The Mercury and the Rahu joins together. It increases the imagination of a person, more towards the material side. Demonish qualities occur to attain the materials. They don't fear death, pains, sufferings. They bear a smile on their face. Two qualities of the Rahu, the demon, is Tikshana, means sharp. Is a Yatana Priya, trying to do effort. Normally remains undefeatable. Symbol is human head. Ruling planet is Rahu, and human, Manushya, is the caste. Motivation is Kama, the desire. And animal symbol is given as dog, rather the female dog. And directional strength is west. And the sounds emanates from this nakshatra are Gu, Ja, Ga and Ja. And the deity is Rudra, the storms. Moon in the Ardra Nakshatra at the time of birth. The persons are intelligent, material, normally gets late marriage, averse towards the sexual activities, but they are great communicators. Sun in the Ardra, fickle mind, but social activists. They don't do anything for themselves, do most of the things for the society. They have got restless mind. The persons born in this nakshatra are writers, speakers, humanitarians, politicians, and drug dealers too. Born in the first part of this nakshatra, the first 3 degree 20 minutes, the people are fair complexion, beautiful, intelligent, clever, lot of hairs on the body. Born in the second part of this nakshatra, lotus eye, very beautiful people. Sexy nature, cut jokes, may not be liked by people, but always jovial, famous in the parties. This nakshatra, people are like honey, sweet, good looking, looking also like honey, eyes, wonderful, intoxicating body, intoxicating eyes. When talks, the people get intoxicated and they love drinking.